Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates from Apna Government Job. So basically one very good update for BSc, BCom and MBA candidate. Okay, the direct recruitment notification is out from CCI, that is Cotton Corporation of India recruitment, for 115 vacancies, basically 22,000 33,000 will be your salary, and for various posts the vacancy is there. So now we will see the detailed information regarding this. So let's start our video. So first, as always, we see the important points. So candidate can apply to only one post, as I already told you that there are various posts. Okay, so out of that you can apply to only one post, first thing. Second thing, the exam center is given, so no need to tension. Then you have 3 years bond with the organization. Okay, and if you want to leave the organization before 3 years, then you have to pay 3 months of your basic salary. 3 months of your basic salary just you will pay, and you can leave the organization. Okay, so this is the clause for the bond. Now we will see the position and roles. Okay, so first, your post code is 101 for management trainee. Okay, those who completed MBA in agriculture management, they can apply. 5 vacancies are there, and category wise distribution is here. Then next vacancy is your management training account. Again, MBA, CMA, CA, MMS, MCOM, okay, or any equivalent post graduation degree can apply to this. Then junior commercial executive, BSc agriculture, you can apply, and 50 vacancies are there for you. Okay. Then again, now see here, either you will choose management trainee or management trainee accounts. Okay, for MBA guys, and for BSc guys, either you will choose junior or junior commercial executive. Okay, junior assistant general. So here you have 20 vacancies, here you have 50 vacancies, and the last is your junior assistant account. Here BCom candidate can apply. Okay, also you can apply to only one post, because here also you are okay. BCom is not eligible there. So yes, you have to apply only for 14 vacancies. Okay, so this is vacancy wise and post wise distribution of vacancies. Okay, so cutoff date is your 1 November 2020. Means those who are in final year or don't have their degree, they can't apply to the post. The process is only written test. Fees are general OBC EWS candidate should pay 1500 rupees, and SST PWD woman is not there, so only SST PWD candidates can pay 500 rupees. Okay, this is the list of exam centers, so just your center or the nearby city. About age limit, so age limit is 30 years for general, for OBC 33, SST 35. Okay, EWS also there, so 30 years for EWS also. Starting is date of form is 9 December and ending date will be 7th of Jan. So in the description you will get the link. Compulsory apply to the form. Exam date they will announce later. Now we will see the exam pattern syllabus for all the posts. Okay, so first we will see the management training marketing. Okay, so for that you have non-tech portion of general English, reasoning, quant and general knowledge of 60 questions total. You have 60 marks, and then in technical knowledge or subject knowledge you have your subjects which you studied in your during your MBA or during your graduation. Okay, so you can use that book also for this subject. So topic are there in detail, so you can go through. After that I will put the link in the description for the PDF. Then management training account, also non-tech syllabus is same, and in technical syllabus you have your accounting concepts. Okay, so all the things you learn you have to use here. Then junior commercial executive BSc candidate, also you have non-tech portion for 60 questions, 60 marks, and then your subject technical knowledge is there 60 questions, mean total paper is of 120 marks, right? And then your concept of agriculture will be there, which you studied in your graduation. Then a junior assistant general also same pattern is there, and same thing are there. Then junior assistant accounts same pattern, non-tech, and then technical syllabus you have in your which you studied already. Okay, so this is the complete syllabus. After that you can go through it. So just share this video to your friends who completed MBA, BSc, BCom, MCom. Okay, this will definitely help them. Just join our Telegram group to get daily job update, daily update regarding this, and strategy video will come, how you should study, what you should study. Okay, regarding CCI. If you have any query, then you can comment down below. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, and if you want any career related guidance, then just DM me on Instagram and follow the Instagram. Okay, so have any query, just comment down below. I will definitely address it faster. All the best.